You live, you die, and the only thing that matters is what happens in between. Life is fleeting, yet it's full of moments that define us, not by how long we live, but by what we do with the time we're given. At the end of the road, the money, the titles, the possessions, they'll mean nothing. What matters is the legacy we leave in the hearts and minds of others. When we come into this world, we know nothing. We arrive as blank slates with endless possibilities ahead of us. And when we leave, all that's left are the echoes of who we were. What did you give to the world? Who did you love? What dreams did you pursue? These are the things that will outlast you. Life is not about being perfect, it's about being present. It's not about avoiding failure, it's about embracing the lessons that failure teaches. Some of the most extraordinary moments are born from the most unexpected trials. It's in the struggle, the uncertainty, and the perseverance that we find our strength. But how many of us are truly living? Too often, we find ourselves stuck in a loop, chasing a future we might never reach, regretting a past we cannot change, or numbing ourselves to the beauty of the present. Wake up, the in-between is happening right now. Every choice you make, every word you speak, every action you take, it's all writing the story of your life. Chase your passions, even when they scare you. Love without conditions, even when it's not easy. Give generously, even when you feel you don't have much to offer. Forgive quickly, because holding on to bitterness only weighs you down. And above all, don't settle for existing. Live boldly, intentionally, unapologetically. The in-between is your chance to create, to connect, to inspire. It's where memories are made, bonds are formed, and dreams are realized. It's where you laugh until you cry, grow through heartbreak, and stand back up when life knocks you down. This is where life happens, where purpose is found, where legacy is built. At the end, no one will remember how many zeros were in your bank account or how big your house was. They'll remember the way you made them feel, the times you showed up, and the impact you had on their lives. The years will go by faster than you think. The days that once felt endless will blur together, and before you know it, a lifetime will have passed. Don't wait for someday, because someday never comes. Love deeply now, laugh freely now, take the risk now. In the end, it won't be the years in your life that matter, but the life in your years. Make the in-between count, because you live, you die, and the only that matters is what you do in between.